Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading, and more specifically, we're talking about gap trading, and we're talking about the second component of my course at Lazy Gap Trader, which is how to trade the gap fills. We have a stock on the screen that you're looking at that was actually one of the morning gap trades the prior trading day. You can see the line at the bottom, 81.75. We even have a video on the YouTube channel, specifically this trade in live session, and that was from January 11th. Well, today, this stock actually hit one of our other levels and provided another profitable trade. In my course at Lazy Gap Trader, I teach two specific gap trading strategies. One is the morning gap trades, and the second is the gap fill trades. Let's go take a look at the email that went out to subscribers at 9 o'clock this morning, 30 minutes before the market opened. The morning gaps were relatively slow. We only had one selection on the board. Randgold Resources never got to the level. It's off the table. However, also contained in the email are potential gap trade fills, about 25 a day I provide in this email to subscribers. Now, we actually had two stocks fill their gap today. One is MPEL, but it opened over the gap fill level, so it becomes a no trade. The second one, you see the second selection down, SIG, actually filled its level, and I gave out the level at $85.96. This goes out to subscribers at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go back to the chart of Signet and take a look. You can see here the $85.96. The stock went as high as $86.35, and that's well within the recommended stop loss limitation. And shortly thereafter, the stock rolled over, making a low. Let me move the chart over. Making a low of $83.54, representing a maximum possible gain on the short trade of $2.42. Now, what are we doing here? Well, each and every morning, there are stocks that have a tendency to gap higher or lower at the open. And we have a way to take advantage of that as traders. In my course, I teach exactly how to find the specific price levels where those stocks should find support or resistance and have price reactions in the other direction. But the second part of the course teaches where stocks are likely to come back and fill gaps left open from a prior trading day. And that's the second component that we're taking advantage of in the gap trading strategy that I teach. So two things. A, I teach you exactly how to do this in the course, everything you need to know to be successful with gap trading. And B, I provide traders my gap trades each and every morning under a separate monthly subscription that you don't have to have. If you take the course, you can do the whole thing yourself, but some traders like to have both, and you can have that. I'll give you my gap trades each and every day. Incidentally, we're getting into the heart of earnings season beginning next week. Tomorrow, Friday, the 13th of January, marks the real beginning. We're going to have JP Morgan, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo report, and that's going to kick off earnings season. We're going to have earnings by the bucketfuls, and that means that we're going to have plenty of morning gap trades coming at us fast and furious. So I'm David Frost. Thanks for tuning in. Go check out the course at LazyGapTrader.com.